हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू कार ब्लॉग इंडिया। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट रोहित खुराना और आज हमारे साथ है 2024 मर्सिडीज जीएलए। आपको ये प्रोग्रेसिव लाइन और एएमजी लाइन में मिल जाती है। जो प्रोग्रेसिव लाइन है वो पेट्रोल और डीजल दोनों वेरिएंट्स में आती है, जबकि ये सिर्फ डीजल और फोर व्हील ऑप्शन में आती है। तो क्या 2024 में ये कार सेंस बनाती है, क्या आपको ये खरीदनी चाहिए, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे। सारे प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। इसको ओरिजिनली इंडिया में 2014 में इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था और ये लेटेस्ट जनरेशन वर्जन है 2024 वेरिएंट। इस गाड़ी की लगभग 14,000 सेल्स हो चुकी है इंडिया में, जब से लॉन्च हुई थी तब से अब तक। और ये गाड़ी काफ़ी पॉपुलर है उन लोगों में जो कि एक एंट्री लेवल लग्जरी एसयूवी को कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, और ये मर्सिडीज की तरफ से बिल्कुल उनकी सबसे कॉम्पैक्ट एसयूवी है जो कि इंडिया में आपको मिल जाती है। आपको बताते हैं कि आपको ये कंसिडर करनी चाहिए 65 लाख रुपए के ऑन रोड प्राइस में, जो कि अप्रोक्सीमेटली इसका दिल्ली का ऑन रोड प्राइस है। उसमें क्या ये सेंस बनाती है या नहीं बनाती है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को। लास्ट तक देखिएगा, आपके कोई सवाल छूट जाएं तो कमेंट में हमसे जरूर पूछिएगा, हम आपको आंसर करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को।
अगर मैं डिज़ाइन की बात करूं तो विद द लेटेस्ट 2024 मॉडल सम माइनर एनहांसमेंट्स हैव बीन मेड टू द Mercedes GLA's look. The changes on this facelift are better pronounced in the AMG line. It gets updated headlamps with new matrix lighting और ज़्यादा अग्रेसिव बम्पर डिज़ाइन मिल गया है इसको AMG थीम में. The stylish AMG 19-inch wheels also add some glamour. At the rear, the lighting is new and similar to the bigger Mercedes SUVs such as GLE and GLS. The new bumper is flanked by stylish chrome-tipped exhaust.
Let's talk about interior. The interior of this car greets you as well as any other Mercedes-Benz with top-notch quality. All the touch surfaces, all the materials are very premium. AMG line that we have here, it comes with the Napa leather steering wrap for this. So it is a leather wrapped steering, feels very premium. इसके अलावा अगर मैं बात करूं तो इसमें सरफेसेस जो हैं वो काफ़ी प्रीमियम दिखते हैं। यहाँ पियानो ब्लैक फिनिश का यूज़ किया गया है, यहाँ पे कार्बन टेक्सचर का जो है यूज़ किया गया है। Apart from that, you get plenty of ambient lighting here, here. There are strips running here, and also in the door pads. There is use of these tasteful materials as well as color themes. The jet engine inspired design of the air conditioning vents also looks very nice. And if you look here, a continuous floating display sort of effect which has been created by a dual 10.25-inch screen is also very good. MID, or the instrument cluster, which is a fully digital 10.25-inch, and this one is a 10.25-inch infotainment, which is also with touchscreen and wireless Android Auto as well as the Apple CarPlay. So it is very plush, premium. The resolution of the camera when you put it in the reverse mode is also very good. It is a high resolution, high definition camera which gives you a 360 view. The guidelines are also uh, they are dynamic, so when you turn the steering, the guidelines also turn. The central console, etc., and the armrest, this has also been updated over the previous generation variant. And here you can see the driving mode selection switch, the volume switch, and this also comes with the Parktronics, or the parking assist, which helps you park this car in a semi-automatic fashion. So it helps you find a parking spot and helps you park in a tight spot as well, which takes away a lot of pressure when it comes to parking in the urban spaces. Also, it comes with an extended sunroof which goes all the way to the back. It is not a panoramic sunroof per se, but it is an extended sunroof which goes till the back. And this D-cut steering that you get in the AMG line also looks very classy. It has these glossy elements and controls over here, pedal shifters at the back. The pedals are also metal covered pedals. So all in all, it's very tasteful. The seats and upholstery that you get is the microfiber upholstery here with the red stitches, also to give you better under thigh support. This extends a little bit further if you need to. So if you're a taller passenger, you can extend this. You also get this on the driver as well as passenger side. There is memory seat function for both the passenger and the driver at the front. There's also lumbar support which has been provided. The seats are sports seats. They are they are designed to hold you tight. They are bucket seats, and they give you the kind of sportiness that you would expect from the AMG line cars from a Mercedes Benz. Let me take you to the rear seat and show you what else you have got in the rear. And when it comes to the rear seat, you also get the same sort of fabric treatment and the red stitches on the back as well. There is ample amount of leg room here, ample amount of headroom, but when it comes to shoulder room, well, it is a kind of subjective matter. If you are seating two adults here, they would be very comfortable, but you would notice that there is no armrest provided for the rear occupants. There are air conditioning vents here. You have some charging sockets and some storage spaces here, some storage spaces behind the seat as well. So it's a comfortable place to be in, but it is not a comfortable space to put three adults side by side. Best for two adults and maybe a kid in the middle for the best experience. Also, the transmission hump or the transmission tunnel, as they call it, is pretty significant here. So if you put an adult in the middle, he would be quite uncomfortable, especially with this transmission tunnel in the place. And let me also show you the boot space in this, which also has a very nifty feature. So let me get back and show you. So the nifty feature about the boot that I was telling you about is, imagine you are having heavy luggage or grocery bags in your hand, and you approach the car and you kick under the rear bumper. The boot opens up for you. You can put your luggage here, and now you are relaxed. You can click here to close it, or in case you are taking the bags out and now your hands are occupied, you can again kick here for the car to close itself. And if you are concerned about the luggage space, well, I think there is ample space for your small weekend getaways and your family trips, or maybe a few airport commutes with 2 to 3 medium bags or 2 large bags. This is at 425 liters of boot space, which I think is good in this segment. अब बात करते हैं, how is this car behind the wheel and how do you feel when you drive this car? Well, the AMG line, which gives you a 2-liter diesel engine, it has ample of torque. It is loaded with 400 newton meters of torque, which is more than enough for a car of this size. It is very eager to move. The acceleration is also quite good. Company claims that it can do 0 to 100 in a matter of 7.5 seconds, but we have done our own acceleration test, and the link is right here on your screen. It gives you 188 bhp of peak power and 400 newton meters of peak torque, which is more than enough for everyday driving conditions. And when you are feeling spirited on the highway, you can just put your foot down and it accelerates like anything. It feels very sure-footed even at triple digit speeds, and very good and easy to handle. The steering has ample weight. It could have been more, but it still has ample weight. It's very enthusiastic to drive and gives you the fun behind the wheel. Talking of the features, it is loaded with many safety features, including 7 airbags. Yes, there is one extra airbag which is provided near the knee of the driver to protect it in case of a collision. You also get active as well as passive safety features like the traction control, and there is also hill descent control, wherein you can set the car at a predefined speed when you are going downhill, and it will not let the car accelerate beyond that. The car is loaded with enough safety features as well as performance. This engine comes mated to an 8-speed dual clutch transmission performance with all-wheel drive system, which is very good and very relaxed for cruising. In fact, when you are cruising at higher speeds, you are usually in 7th or 8th gear on highway speeds, which gives you a very good and relaxed performance in terms of the highway performance. When it comes to handling and ride quality, the ride is slightly stiffer, especially on the AMG line. But when it comes to handling, it is very sharp and very confidence inspiring. The braking is also quite sharp and sure-footed. The grip of the tires is very good. You get 19-inch wheels on the AMG line and 18-inch on the progressive line. So you have ample road grip, you have ample confidence while driving this car, even on triple digit speeds on the newly built expressways. और आप इस गाड़ी में परफॉर्मेंस की कमी बिल्कुल महसूस नहीं करने वाले हैं. आपको काफ़ी अच्छी कॉन्फिडेंट इंस्पायरिंग और कंफर्टेबल राइड देती है, बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ. And not only that, with the 8-speed transmission and relaxed cruising, the rated mileage of this particular diesel variant is 18.9 kmpl, तो ये आपको हाईवे पे माइलेज भी काफ़ी अच्छी दे देगी. इनफैक्ट आप 15 प्लस माइलेज तो इसमें आराम से एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. But just like any other car, this is also not perfect, so it has a few downsides which I can tell you from first hand experience with this car, is that it misses out on a very few key features that I would have liked to have in a car of this price. Ventilated seats are not provided. The level 2 ADAS is not there. There is no heads up display. There is no adaptive cruise control like feature which is also a part of the ADAS. तो इन सब फीचर्स को हमने ज़रूर इसमें मिस किया. इस प्राइस पॉइंट पे हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि जो लग्जरी कार्स ले रहे हैं तो उसमें इस तरह के फीचर्स हमें मिलेंगे, बट इस कार में वो फीचर्स नहीं दिए गए हैं. बट अगर मैं इसको ओवरऑल देखूं तो ये मुझे काफ़ी इम्प्रेसिव लगी, काफ़ी फन लगी, काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंस इंस्पायरिंग लगी. बट हाँ, रियर सीट स्पेस जो है इस कार का, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, वो 2 ऑक्यूपेंट्स के लिए ही कंफर्टेबल है. अगर आप पीछे 3 लोगों को बिठाना चाहते हैं, मे बी दिस कार इज नॉट द राइट चॉइस फॉर यू. सो व्हाट आर माय इंप्रेशंस एंड ओपिनियंस आफ्टर टेस्टिंग दिस कार एंड स्पेंडिंग सम टाइम विद इट बिहाइंड द व्हील? वेल, 65 लाख रुपए में ये गाड़ी, being a crossover, gives you the best of both worlds. You get an all-wheel drive experience, you get an SUV experience. Although it is a crossover, it's not a true SUV, but you get that stance while driving it. तो क्या आपको 65 लाख में कंसिडर करनी चाहिए? Well, it's a big yes if you are looking for something which is sporty, luxurious and comfortable. But if you are looking for something which is spacious in the back seat, then probably you can spend some more. 4-5 लाख रुपए और खर्च के आपको सी क्लास सिडान मिल जाती है मर्सिडीज की, जो कि एक बेटर ऑप्शन होगी. बट अगर रियर सीट स्पेस आपके लिए उतना बड़ा डील ब्रेकर नहीं है, this car has almost everything except a few features that you would require or want from a car when you are spending this much. For example, ventilated seats, level 2 ADAS, heads up display, to name a few. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर आपके कोई क्वेश्चंस रह गए हैं तो नीचे कमेंट में छोड़ दीजिए. विल ट्राई एंड आंसर इट देयर. If you have any suggestions, feedback, please also leave them in the comment. Press the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to us, and press the bell icon next to it. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.